Hello, good morning. How are you? Today we have a new Jolly Phonics sound. Tenemos un sonido nuevo de Jolly Phonics. ¿Y sabes qué? Es el último sonido de Jolly Phonics. Yay! Wow, we learned a lot. So, para ver este sonido tenemos que hacer un poco de magia. ¿Me ayudáis? Can you help me? Yes? Okay, look. Let's see if you remember these sounds. And we're going to use magic to put and together and make our new sounds. We're going to take and put them together on the table. We're gonna mix them together and we're going to do magic. Así hacemos la magia. Rub, rub, rub. Clap, clap, clap. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Poof. Creo que no ha funcionado. We have k and s. Creo que es porque no habéis hecho conmigo. Tenéis que hacer la magia conmigo. Let's do it again. Intentamos otra vez. Ready? Rub, rub, rub. Clap, clap, clap. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Poof. Let's see. It worked. Good job. Do you want to see it? Okay. Wow. It changed into our new sound. Let's see, how do we say it? We took k, s, and put them together. Ks, 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 ks. Este es el nuevo sonido. Ks, ks, ks. Y cuando vemos esto, tenemos que hacer el gesto like this. Very good. Do you want to hear the song? Yes? Okay, listen. X, x. Take an X-ray. X, x. Take an X-ray. X, x. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hands. ¿Podéis cantarlo conmigo? Can you sing it with me? Can you sing with me? Yes? Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Take an X-ray, x, x. Take an X-ray, x, x. Take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand, x. Very good. And that was it, our last sound, el último sonido. Wow, give yourself a round of applause, un aplauso para vosotros. Vale chicos, ahora quiero repasar 3 sonidos. I want to review 3 sounds y vamos a intentar a recordar 3 palabras con esos hilos. We're going to try to remember 3 words, okay? Because in the video call we're going to play a game. Vamos a jugar un juego con esas palabras en la videollamada. First one, the sound B, B. Y la palabra que tenéis que acordar is bird. Bird. Okay, next one. G, 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 G. Y la palabra que tenemos que acordar is jump. Jump. Saltar. Jump. Última. Y la palabra que tenemos que acordar is zipper. Zipper. Okay? And that's it. Thank you for learning with me and we will see you later. Bye bye.